Hello guys, this is Alice from Shenzhen Oster. We mainly produce switchable smart view and smart glass. Our annual capacity is 5,500 square meters, and I will show you our factory. After the reception desk, you walk into our second floor, and this one is our showing room. And this one is our general office. And then we walk into our factory. This is our raw material warehouse. And you can see it is in the constant temperature and humidity. And this raw material, one row in row, is the ITO conductive film. And this is the PET film. After raw material warehouse, we walk into our coating workshop for produce the smart film. You can also call it a 100 clean room, 100% dust-free workshop to make perfect product quality. You can see